So today is our house sorting day. Almost 900 Deer Park Junior High students will be sorted into one of 4 new houses. So the houses give every student a place to belong. Each has a different character trait that we're going to focus on throughout the year, and just reminds our students of all those things that we need to be for everybody else. It gives them a place to belong and somewhere that they have a family with them. Today we're running all students through by grade level, and they'll select a wristband, and once they select a wristband, they'll be directed to their house table and greeted by all the house leaders in that house. And then we're going to take a big group picture at the end with all the houses that they're sorted into. So once students are sorted into a house today, they will remain in that house for their entire time at Deer Park Junior High. And throughout the year, we're going to have different character building lessons, team building lessons, and it's a competition all year long, earning points for your house for good behavior, good academic achievement, and it just kind of gets them to encourage each other to do what we're supposed to.